How to turn off dark mode in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can turn off dark mode in your Windows device. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin without any further ado. First step that you'll need to take is open up your settings. So search for your settings and open it up. After you've opened up your settings, you will need to head over to the personalization section that is on the left sidebar here. Tap on that, and after you're on personalization, you will see an option that says colors. There are other options as well, but we'll need to head over to colors. And after you inside colors, you'll find different options here. But for your mode, which is right here, choose your mode, you'll find the option to turn it back to light from here. So select dark, and then after you tap on it, tap on light. Doing that, your color is now back to white. And that's how you turn off dark mode in your Windows device. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.